Thanks for spending a little bit of your Saturday morning with us here on Spectrum News 1. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. It is December 14th, which means we are just 1 week away. Next Saturday is the winter solstice, the first day of astronomical winter. That is also the shortest day of the year, traditionally, in terms of our day length. You can see today we're at 9 hours and 38 minutes. We're going to continue to lose a couple of seconds each day up until next Saturday, where we'll bottom out at 9 hours and 37 minutes. But then our slow climb back towards summer and the longest day of the year, which is the summer solstice in June, that will begin. And notice here as we get into January, by the middle part of the month, we're up close to 10 hours of day length here, at least in Bowling Green. So yeah, a sliver of good news as we're about to get into winter. Those days will start to get longer. Now, in the short term, we're going to be dealing with what we call sort of a dirty warm-up, where we have warmer temperatures, so you don't need that heavy jacket. You probably just need the hoodie, but you really won't be able to go outside and enjoy it because there's going to be plenty of rainfall around over the next couple of days. You're going to be kind of stuck inside or running through the rain to maybe do some grocery shopping or things like that. That rain is expected to move in here in the afternoon and early evening hours towards sunset, and will certainly come down at times. So make sure you've got that umbrella. But temperatures, you notice, for both Bowling Green and Owensboro remaining on the mild side. Here comes that rain by the lunch hour right at the Ohio River, quickly overspreading the area. It's on the doorstep of 165 here by 5:30. And then moving through, there could be some pockets of moderate rainfall at times as well. Now, we'll continue to see those showers in the overnight and throughout our Sunday. Sunday right now, it's looking like another one of those days, especially in the morning, with a lot of mist and drizzle and sprinkles, maybe a little bit of fog as well. When all is said and done, easily a ½ inch, if not more, of rainfall. You see, we're saying a ½ inch to an inch in Bowling Green, but thankfully the flooding threat is very, very low. So upper 50s today across the entire region, a mild day, and then tonight we'll dip into the upper 40s with that rain coming down, so quite mild as well. But this wet pattern continues. We get more rainfall in here on Monday. We finally get a break on Tuesday before shower chances ramp right back up by next Wednesday.